Hello there, so I just realized that, this is, like, really cool, and I'm going to show you this, because I feel that you should be able to witness what I witnessed here today. It was raining pennies. I'm moving the camera. I've got my laptop here, and I'm just gonna, do this, because I'm sick, and, I don't think you want to see me, because I'm sick, and, throwing up bile, which is yellow. And, I'm getting better, though. But I wanted you to see it raining pennies. I needed to do something while I was sick, because I've been out of school for, like, the last week and a half. So, here it comes, raining pennies. There you go. There you have it. Look at that. Look at that! It rained pennies! What did I tell you? What did I tell you? I told you that. That's a dime. But you know what? It rained pennies and I'm good with that. It's all good. You know what? At the end of the day, it was all for the good of humanity. Thank you. This has been Vincent Calkins here. Bye. Oh no, it didn't stop recording. It didn't stop recording! Where's the mouse? There it is. Come here. Come on. My stupid computer! This is so annoying. Oh, I think I'm gonna throw up now. Better. Oh, I just had to cough. It's all good, don't worry. Up. Down. Where is it? Sorry this is taking so long. I cannot find it. Stupid upside downness. There it is. I found it! Oh no! Oh my god. Alright. Well, that's enough of that. I think I'm still gonna be sick for a while. Alright, well, goodbye. This has been Vincent Calkins, and I'm now signing off after I've found the way to turn it off. Bye.